Hello, today we will guide you through how to purchase Adobe Creative Cloud. Open your browser and go to the Adobe Creative Cloud for Teams page. You'll see an overview of what's included, from design and video apps to tools for managing licenses. Take a quick look so you know what you're getting, and note any regional pricing or tax notices that apply to you. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and allow pop-ups from Adobe during checkout, as some pages may open in a new tab. When you're ready, move to the upper area of the page where your account and navigation controls appear. Find the small grid icon of 9 dots near your account area and select it to open the app launcher. In the launcher, choose All Apps. That takes you to a comprehensive view of Adobe applications. Going through all apps keeps you in the official purchase flow and frames the decision around what you'll use. If prompted, confirm your region or language so pricing displays correctly. On the All Apps page, select See All Plans and Pricing Details. Here you can compare plans, the number of licenses you need, and the billing cadence, such as monthly or annual. Expand the details to review storage, support options, and any included services. You can also switch between annual billed monthly and annual prepaid to see the total cost difference. If you're buying for a team, check that the plan mentions centralized license management, which you'll use later to assign seats. When you've identified the plan that fits, select Buy Now. Adobe will guide you through secure checkout. Review the plan name, term, price, currency, and any taxes before confirming. If you aren't signed in, you may be asked to do so. If you're purchasing multiple seats, look for the quantity selector during checkout and adjust it before payment. After the purchase, you'll receive an order confirmation and can access your subscription from your Adobe account. Save the receipt for your records. With that, you've compared options and completed your Creative Cloud purchase.